There's been a major update to Google's AI tools that you need to know about. Google just dropped a bombshell. If you have an Ultra subscription, you now get unlimited VEO 3 fast videos without using any credits. And for everyone else, Google is giving out free credits to use in Google Flow with no subscription needed. Best of all, I'm going to show you the trick to creating vertical 9 to 16 videos for shorts and reels. Plus, we'll quickly explore all the other new AI tools Google just launched. Let's dive in. All right, first, we'll navigate to our browser. I'm going to search for Flow here. You should also simply search for Flow. The link that appears for Flow, you need to click on it. As soon as you click, you'll see the option Create with Flow, which you should select. This will sign you in using your Google ID. This is my standard account, not a pro account. Here, you can check these boxes if you wish, but it's not necessary. Simply click Next. Then, after reading the terms and conditions, click Continue. After that, you need to click on New Project. Now, if you look at the icon in the upper right corner and click on it, you'll see that I have received 100 free AI credits. Whether you have a pro account or not, everyone has been given 100 free credits. If you create videos with Google VEO 2, you can make 10 videos. And if you use Google VEO 3 Fast, since it costs 20 credits per video, so you can make 5 videos. Now, as you can see in front of you, Google Flow is open. You simply need to input your prompt to create any video you want. But first, I'm going to open a new tab to address the main issue people are facing. Many of you have asked me how we can create portrait videos with Google VEO. So today, I'm also going to teach you how to create portrait videos, as there has been a high demand for this in the comments section. To do this, I will first go to Whisk, where I will generate a portrait mode image. Here, I will set the aspect ratio to vertical or portrait. After that, I will enter the command for the image I want to generate. I'll press enter, and as you can see, my images are ready. Whichever image you like, or whatever vertical images you need to create, you simply have to download them. After that, you need to return to Flow. Here, you'll select your model. There are quite a few models, but I'll be selecting the VEO 3 Fast model because it provides the best results. It will cost 20 credits. Now I will switch to the frames to video mode. Simply click on the plus icon and then on Upload. Here, I will upload the same image that I just created. I'll simply click on it and my image will appear. Now, you must leave the aspect ratio here exactly as it is by default. I will click on Crop and Save, and you can see our video has been uploaded into our first frame. Next, you need to provide a prompt. I have a prompt ready in the description below, which you must use. This initial part of the prompt, you must copy and paste it exactly as is. After that, whatever animations you want to apply to that image, you will provide the prompt for those animations. For instance, I have provided an example for you here, detailing the specific animations you can add to your image. You will do the same. I have provided the prompt for my animation, and now it has started to render the entire video. I was getting a lot of comments about this issue. People asking how to animate portrait or vertical videos in Google Flow or VEO 3. So, I have shown you the complete method. Now, our video here is ready. I'll simply play it and show it to you. It might take a moment for buffering. And there, you see it. As you can see, my frame is not being cut off, nor are there any issues. It remains perfectly vertical. Now I'll show you one more thing. I'll download this video, because many people might still not understand. You simply need to go into your editor. I'm using CapCut to explain, but you can open any editor. Go into your editor, and drag and drop your video into the software. I'll bring it in here. I'll place it on my timeline. After bringing it to the timeline, there are just 1 or 2 simple steps you need to take. First, in CapCut, you need to select the ratio option and set it to 9:16. Once it's set to 9:16, you simply need to increase its scale a bit, which means you'll crop your video. I've increased the scale and fit it to the frame. And now, look, I'll show it to you in a larger view. There you see it. Your portrait or vertical video is perfectly ready. By following these simple steps, you can achieve this result too. Now, some new tools have also been introduced in Google AI Studio from Google, which you might have heard a lot about, like Nano Banana for image editing. Besides that, some pre-made apps have also arrived here. You simply need to accept their terms and conditions. Now, these are all apps, but only a few of them are particularly useful. and I'll quickly tell you about them. If you can't find them, just go to the Build section in the left side menu. You might also find it in Generate Media, but you'll find it more easily in Build. You simply need to... See here, there's one called Home Canvas. This is a very useful tool, especially for people who work in e-commerce, but it's very handy in general as well. You simply need to upload your product image in this first section. For now, I'm just giving you an example. You can use it in any way with your own creativity. I've uploaded the product image first, and in the second, I've uploaded a scene image. Now, I will drag my product image and drop it where I want to fit or place my product. For instance, you see, I've just dragged and dropped it to specify its location in my scene, and it has started generating the image. And look at that, it has fit the image with excellent quality. Along with that, it has created its shadows and everything else. You can use this for any of your e-commerce products or in any way with your creativity. There are many great tools here. Besides this, there are a few other tools, for example, Pixshop. You just need to click it, and when you open it, you can basically edit your images with just 2 or 3 commands using this pre-made software. I'll upload my model's image here. Below are all its options for what kind of editing you want to do. I'll go to Filters for now. There are many filters here. I'll select the anime filter and apply it. You'll see in just a few seconds, it will animate our image. Or rather, it will turn it into an anime-style image. It's currently working on it. And there you have it. It has turned our image into a perfect anime style. Now, there are further adjustments here. You can enhance colors, add studio lighting, blur the background, adjust warming. There are many options. You can explore them yourselves. All the tools I have shown you so far are absolutely free of cost. You simply have to go to Google AI Studio, and from there you can access them. Furthermore, there are many additional applications available here. This Your Apps section means that you can also create your own custom apps, or even customize the applications that are already built. Now, if you navigate to Generative Media, the most significant one here is that you also get access to Google's VEO for video generation. Here, you can provide any prompt you want. These are all the settings for Google VEO 2. At the moment, only VEO 2 is available here. When you run it, you can create videos completely for free by utilizing Google VEO. And as you can see, our video is now ready. Let me play it for you to see. From the 3 dots here, you can easily download it. This is our video, so I will close this for now. There are some additional things I want to show you as well. Up here, you need to go to the chat option. Here, you can create your own custom designs, such as logos, custom flyers, and more. For this example, I am going to ask it to design a custom birthday card. The more details you provide, the better the design it will create for you. As I requested a custom card, it has asked me for more details, like the theme, colors, and the name I want on it. Since I am just giving you an example, I will tell it I have no specifics. And there you have it. Our birthday card is now ready. You can explore so many things with this tool. Look at how detailed the card it has produced is. You can customize it in any way you desire. If you want to see more in-depth videos on the Google AI Studio tools, let me know in the comments section below. I can also create a detailed video on Google's Nano Banana for you.